County in north central Georgia, northwestern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, southern Barrow County in north central Georgia, southern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, southern Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, north central Henry County in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, northeastern Wayne County in north central Georgia, northeastern Wilson in north central Georgia, eastern Clayton County in north central Georgia, northern Newton County in north central Georgia,
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in north central Georgia, northwestern Oconee County in eastern Georgia, southern Barrow County in north central Georgia, southern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, southern Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, north central Henry County in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, northeastern Clayton County in north central Georgia, northern Newton County in north central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Duluth to Stone Mountain to near Panthersville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Conyers, Winder, Monroe, Covington, Forest Park, Snellville, Lilburn, Loganville, Auburn, Stone Mountain, Dacula, Social Circle, Grayson, Lake City, Statham, Oxford, Latonia, Porterdale, and Walnut Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and northeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866